Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from mikesmilitaria.com. Feel free to check out the website. There's a sample sticker from a previous delivery. Again, mikesmilitaria.com, and let's get right to it. Get you out of the way. Thank you. And trying to think of the best way to open this without damaging the contents. Didn't do any starter cuts on the box. I'll use the back of the blade here. Very carefully score this. Maybe we'll just try this way. Easy enough. Okay, this should be pretty quick. We only ordered a few items this time, thus the smaller box. And oh, okay. So let's lay these out here. And oh my. Okay, thank you. So again, another sample sticker, mikesmilitaria.com. Let's get the box out of the way. We don't need that anymore. And I'm looking at my cheat sheet here. Since these stood out right here, these are East German. That's it says right there already. Pardon my pronunciation. Grenztruppen. These are border guard cuff titles unissued, so I believe these would be sewn onto your cuffs for identification specifically as part of the Grenztruppen. These are East German, I believe. That's DDR. And it looks like he sent us 2 of them. Thank you, Mike. Very nice, very sharp. You can see the raised embroidered stitching. Get some nice light effects right there in our light. Okay, we'll set those right there. And then we got 2 items here. Let's look at the first one since it stood right out. These are Singaporean M09 Woodland digital camouflage shirt, used large. This should be a large size then. So right off we can see sewn on Singapore and somebody's name, Anash. I have your shirt, Anash. So let's see. We have a very small tag there. I cannot read that. We have a hang hook. And let's go ahead and button this as I pass the rank epaulet. I'm not sure how that's... Ooh, that is sewn on. So that means when they attach the rank, it must wrap around this somehow. Or it's sewn on directly. That might be the best method there. So hopefully our camera doesn't die. Just got a battery warning. Looks like we have buttons and Velcro securing areas. Interesting. So let's see how this is done here. So yeah. Oh, so probably we can pass through easier to an internal, probably internal shirt if we had something underneath. So let's see, we have a regular shirt style collar. No attachment points there. We have a button at the very top. 1, 2, that the Velcro area, 2 more buttons, and then we have a spare button sewn on there. I can see a tag right here for washing and laundry instructions. If we look on the inside real quick, I can see a label here. SAF, Hong Sing Company, manufacturer. I'll have to read the rest of it. MSN number, Dimensions, very specific dimensions. Chest, shirt length, and sleeve length. Very interesting. And shoulder length as well. Let's see, pocket-wise, Velcro, no ballooning, round bottoms, rounded at the corners there. Interesting. Other side, real quick, same. So we have symmetrical pockets. Fluff, get rid of that. More fluff, get rid of that too. Okay. And we have lower pockets, similar style, Velcro. And on both sides. So we have 4 pockets on the front, top and bottom, 2 on each side. If we look at the shoulders, plain shoulders, if we look at this sleeve, we have a square Velcro attachment point, working way down to the cuff, button right there, 1, 2 buttonholes, do I feel, nope, 3 buttonholes, 1, 2, and 3 in the middle. I'm not sure we can do a reverse button, possibly, or we could just button it all the way around like that, same effect. If we look at the other side, looks like plain arm top there, similar cuff, 1, 2, 3 buttonholes. Very nice. We look at the back real quick, plain back. Correction, looks like we have Velcro waist cinch areas. Interesting. So we can actually cinch up the waist if you have a running skinny. Or if you put on a little weight, or you have something underneath the shirt on the waist that's a little bit wider, then you can accommodate that. Very interesting. Singaporean M09 Woodland Digital Camo. Here we have some matching pattern pants. Right off, we got our belt loops. I'm going to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 in the middle here. We have button tightening areas. 2 buttons there, 2 buttons there. Single button at the top. Let's see how. Okay, so these are button fly and buttoning down. How many buttons do we got in these sets? Come on. Alright. 1 at the top, 2, 3, 4. A little bit of a stitch reinforcement point right here in the buttonhole areas. Right there, separated. And label property of the SAF. Not for unauthorized sale usage. Well, these have been surplused, so. Trousers. Man's pixelized. Camouflage pattern number 4 dress. 37 waist of 35 inch to 37 inch length. MSN number, contract number. Looks like laundry care tag right there. Pretty basic. Then one of those little small tags and another hang hook there. Interesting. Trying to see how we can go over this. Okay, slash pockets, no closure. Cargo pockets with 2 buttons, middle and outer side, nothing on the inner side. We do have 2 balloon points here for blousing. Blouses at the edges, but not on the inner side. It should be similar on this side. Yes, slash pocket, similar cargo pocket, 2 buttons, middle and outer side. Knees. Let's see if it reinforced or not. Maybe just a stitch point on the material. No, it does feel doubled. So there is a bit of a thicker area right here in the knees. Cuffs, basic cuffs with a hemline. Similar to the other side, no extra pockets there. If we flip these over to the back, we have two rear pockets, Velcro, Velcro. Pretty straightforward. And we do have a rounded stitch area in the bottom, and it does feel reinforced a little bit. So there might be an extra layer of material in there. It does feel like it's, well, does it? It does feel slightly thicker. I can't really tell though. Let's see if I can pull them. Yeah, there's two layers as opposed to the other portion of the pants, trousers, however you would call it. So again, a little closer look at the belt loops, pretty wide, and our cinch points with the two buttons. Pretty symmetrical set of trousers. So again, Singaporean M09 Woodland digital camouflage. I just noticed we have a drain hole in the pockets. So there. Let's take another look at the shirt, see if there's any drain holes. Nope. Okay, so we had the trousers, we had the shirt, and we started off with some East German Grenztruppen cuff titles. And again, these all came from mikesmilitaria.com. Feel free to check it out. There's always a large variety of items that come into stock. Get them while you can, because they're in high demand. So this has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do more specific show and tell videos on vintage and milsurp items of interest. We also do curios for the curious, more artsy type objects, as well as a selection of book review or media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.